Hello everyone, this is Vipul Sharma and I once again warmly welcome all of you on our YouTube channel of Team 360. Friends, as you know, this is our fourth video and we have already uploaded 3 videos of business opportunity. And in these 3 videos, I have already shared our company's profile, company's products, and the reason of doing this program, reason of uploading these videos on YouTube, everything I have shared. Now, this is our fourth video in which I would share our business opportunity through which you can earn money. Okay, so let's start. Friends, it's been 9 years and as far as our experience is concerned, there are 4 options through which you can earn money. First is a school. You can go for schools and you can share your concept with the school directors, can demonstrate your program in front of students and can share that concept with parents. And if they relish, you can conduct your workshop over there. Second, you can go for coaching institutes where you can share this concept with the director of that coaching institute, and if they relish, if they understand that program, you both can work together and you can invite parents and students at one place and can share that concept and can conduct your workshop. Third option, you can invite people through advertisement. You can open your own institute where you can invite people through advertisement and you can share your concept with them. Then you can conduct your workshop. Apart from this, these are 3 options. Now, last option, fourth option, you can use social media. And with the help of that social media, you can conduct your seminars, open seminars, webinars, and you can invite people through social media like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. There are so many ways to invite people. And you can conduct your workshops online as well as offline. But remember one thing, when it comes to open seminar, if you are going to conduct workshop and if you are going to invite people for open seminar, remember one thing, you need to follow, you would have to follow the norms of government just because of that COVID situation. Okay, so these are 4 options through which you can generate money, you can earn money. Okay, and if you ask Team 360, so I would suggest schools. We would suggest schools. Why? Because see, it is an educational program, and if you talk about education, when you think about education, the first thing that clicks in your mind, that is students, and you will get number of students in schools. That's why we went for schools and we conducted our workshops in 250 schools. We have covered 250 schools. We got business in 250 schools. And we have demonstrated our programs in 500 schools. Okay,